All right, everybody, happy Monday, Tuesday, whatever part of the week you're watching this video in. Nice to see you here. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment below and say hello. Listen, lately I have spent some time reflecting on what I did best as a trader when I had my biggest trades. And some surprising realizations came to me. It's like after 20 years, you'd think, oh, he's got it, he knows exactly. No, I don't know exactly what. I realized that what I do best at is finding companies and their stock price has been shooting to the moon, but it's a broken company. Their debt is too high, their earnings are too low, or their price to earnings ratio is out of control. And what I then do is build a trade that bets against that company. And I guess I've been embarrassed by what I do best over the years. And then again, at the same time, I mean, this is the money that for the rest of the year is going to go to charity and go to do good stuff for people. So why wouldn't I bet against a company that's stock is broken or that cooks the books or that is dishonest about the way they do business? We would want to do that. So I want to bring two names to your attention, and then you're going to do your own research. And I want you to come to your own conclusions and leave some comments below. Number one, PDD, Pinduoduo. It's a Chinese company. I have an opinion that is not, I don't have complete evidence that this is true, but it seems to be the case that a lot of these Chinese tech companies are cooking the books. It seems to me that it's possible that their numbers are somewhat inflated. It seems to me that a company that doesn't earn money, even though it has more customers, eventually either has to earn money or go out of business, and they're not earning money. So I want you to do some research. I would recommend you look at their financials. I would recommend you read the last two transcripts from their earnings calls. And I know that's homework, but you're going to have to study and you're going to have to do your own work in order to be good at this. I'm already building a position in that company, and this is not a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. All trading involves a substantial risk of loss, and past performance is no guarantee of future results. All right, I'm not a broker. The second one, and this one's gonna offend a lot of people, is Zoom, right? ZM, ticker symbol ZM. It's like the most popular company in the world right now. Customer growth, customer acquisition through the roof. But if you read their earnings transcripts, most of their customer acquisition, the new customers, most of them are small businesses with fewer than 10 employees, which have the highest churn rate for canceling their service. So I want you to take a look at their latest earnings transcript. I want you to read the call. I want you to look at their financials. I want you to consider that their market cap is $65 billion, but they're only going to make $1 billion to $1.7 billion in not in earnings, in revenue this year. And like maybe they'll come away with $500 million in profit. So they're trading at 100 times earnings or more? I don't know, that doesn't seem right to me. Or they have a price to earnings ratio of 1,200 or 1,400. I mean, this kind of stuff gets crazy for me. So I haven't yet, but I'm gonna start building a position, a short position in Zoom. And I know that's unpopular, I know that offends a bunch of people. I don't know why you're so like immensely personally dedicated to a webinar company, but that's what I'm doing, and I thought I'd be transparent about that. And all of the money from those two trades is all the profits from those trades, and the rest of them from the rest of this year in my Robinhood account are just gonna go to charity anyway. So you can leave a comment about charities that you like, about service projects you think are good for me to spend my time doing. I've got a ton of extra time on my hands now, and I wanna spend that to do things that are good for people. I wanna take whatever negative energy I have, and I've got plenty of it, believe me, and I wanna put it in places where it does the most amount of good and the least amount of harm. So check those out. Last of all, once again, do your homework, do your research, do your studying, look up those two companies. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Leave me some ideas for charities in the comments below. I love the heck out of you. Hey, Stephen Ground, can't wait to see you later in the week. I'm gonna take a picture of you. We're gonna do a video together, Stephen, later on in the week. Thanks, Justin, for being behind the camera. I'll see you soon, everybody. Bye for now.